Buenos dias, guys. We are in Barcelona and we are at the Sagrada Familia, the famous Gaudi church that's been under construction over 200 years. Let's check it out. The last time I was here is probably about 15 years ago. There's been a lot of changes since then, and there's tons of people here to get inside the church. I've heard you have to get the tickets at least like a week or so in advance, which we did not do, but we're gonna get some really good footage from outside the church. So here we are at Casa Mila. This is another architecture about Gaudi. There's a building here and also one about 2 blocks away that we're going to walk to. But this is a very beautiful architecture as well. You can see these type of designs all over Barcelona, which makes it very unique and beautiful. And then also on the street you have a lot of high-end shopping. So you see Dolce & Gabbana, Ralph Lauren, Zegna, all the high-end brands. It's like a Fifth Avenue of New York, basically, or Rodeo Drive in California, LA. So now we're in front of the second Gaudi building here on our tour, called Casa Batlló. Casa Batlló. And this is actually a little more colorful than the last one. Hey guys, so we just walked from the last Gaudi building to Plaça Catalan, and this is kind of like separates like the old and new Barcelona from what I read online. It's a beautiful square, and you see all these pigeons because Jen is feeding them some crackers, so now they're all around him. But yeah, this is a beautiful day to be outside. It's like 60, 62 degrees out, and the sun is out. It's perfect day. And just coming back here reminds me of why Barcelona is my favorite city so far in Spain, and it's the reason why I fell in love with this country. It's my favorite city in Latin America. I'm sorry, in Europe, for sure. I mean, it's clean, it's beautiful, architecture is amazing, good food, good wine, everything. And here we are at the Cathedral de Barcelona, another beautiful masterpiece in Barcelona. One of their many churches, but this is one of the most famous ones out there, the Gaudi church, obviously, the one that we just left from earlier. But it's amazing architecture. Okay, so actually we do need tickets to get in. It's 14 euro to get into the church. So, you guys, very similar to Portugal. Everything costs to get in, not like South America where you can get into pretty much every single thing for free. But yeah, we can admire here from outside. Ella será para siempre cuando Guys, we made it to the Arc de Triomphe, similar to the one in Paris, but obviously a different color. But this one I think is a little bit better. I like the orange bricks they use for this sculpture here. Let's check it out. And then you have like the beautiful palm trees here in the background, the beautiful architecture all around, nice apartment buildings. So just the location of this, I think, is actually like it's perfect. Where the Arc de Triomphe is kind of like in a very awkward place. It's very difficult to get a good picture. There's cars going around it. It's very tough to kind of maneuver. So this is definitely a better location for it. And I appreciate the nice, beautiful color, the mixtures of colors here. So after leaving the Picasso Museum, we headed to Barcelona, this beautiful beach area here. Let's check it out. This is known as like one of the best beaches here in Barcelona. And there are a lot of people here just laying out on the beach, enjoying the nice weather. It's about 17 degrees Celsius, which is about like 65 or so. And there's a couple people actually in the water, but most people are just here just hanging out. It's perfect weather for that. And the strip goes very long, so there's multiple different names of beaches here as you kind of walk down the strip, but it's all like the same exact coastline, just one long strip from here to way towards the back here. So you can walk probably for like at least a mile or two and enjoy like a nice beautiful coastline here. And this is our last full day in Barcelona before we leave tomorrow morning. We have a car to pick up for rental to head to Valencia, which is about a 3.5-hour drive. So I'm definitely excited about that because it's my first time going to Valencia, so we'll be there for a week before we head to other cities after that.